I really appreciate you guys. You know, I just got so much good feedback on how to make my videos better and things that you guys were looking forward to seeing in the future. Also, thank you for all of the birthday wishes. You know, I was out on my business trip, but I was surrounded with so much good energy and so much positivity. My birthday was absolutely amazing. So thank you guys so much for all of the love and the support. But I wanted to come on here, guys, because we're about to get ready to start spring. Like, spring is right around the corner. Like, sundress season is what I like to call it. But you know, so many times that we start a new season, we get overwhelmed, we think we gotta go out and buy all these new pieces. And guys, honestly, there are ways that you can take the pieces that you already have in your wardrobe from your previous season into the new. So yeah, it's just a cute little video just showing you ways that you can style your winter pieces and make them look a lot more spring. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Follow your girl on IG. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. So with this piece, I'm like super stoked about because it's actually one of my cuter pieces that I love. I got it from The Buckle, which is where I work. It's a part of the Kendall and Kylie edition. So Buckle decided to pair up with Kendall and Kylie to create like a cute little collection. And this is one of the pieces that I absolutely fell in love with. It's cropped. You know, you'll see on the screen when I actually put it on that you can see, you know, how cute and cropped it is, but I just love the white and then the color detail. So the next piece is just these really cute floral pants. I absolutely love these. They're from the Kendall and Kylie collection as well. And I love the detail on it because if you can see, it's got like buttons down the side, but it also splits. So I love that. I feel like it just puts a touch of spring. I know that yellow is going to be so in style for spring as well as summer. And then floral prints just never really go out of style. I think they're going to be in for a very long time. And then of course the flared leg, like every girl is loving them. I think I wore a pair in my last video. So it's like you're definitely going to see these around for a while. So my next piece that I absolutely love is a Free People piece. Guys, I love Free People. I have a lot of it in my closet. It is just so comfy, so casual, but you can dress it up, dress it down. Like, I love the versatility of it all. The oliveness is so fall, but how I'm gonna pair it makes it a little bit more on the springier side. The detail of the arm, you know, you got the thumb through, which is one of my favorite things. It just adds a little girly flair like while you're wearing it, and plus the turtleneck, mock neck, it just gives you a classy chic look. So I'm just so in love with this piece. Again, crop style, because we know the crop's in. Gots to pick this one up. Okay, so then my next piece that I'm in love with is this cute maxi skirt. It is the cutest thing ever. It is a part of the Billabong collection. Pretty much everything that I got is like all from Buckle, so it's where I work, it's where I get a lot of my pieces. So I just kind of want to throw that out there so I don't have to keep saying, oh, I got it from The Buckle. But you know, I'll have all the links and stuff down below so you can definitely get them. But this is a pretty Billabong piece. Like I said, it is a maxi skirt, so it is pretty long. I'm short, I'm about 5'2", 5'3", so it does hit kind of floor length. And I like to wear this high-waisted, so I put it up on my waist, as you'll see in the clip how I'm wearing it. But it's got these cute detail buttons right down the middle. Kind of gives you like that vintage 50s feel because of the buttons. But then also it's got this pretty split right down in the middle. I mean, I just think it's such a pretty piece. It's colorful, it's playful, it's a way to play with prints, but you don't have to go too wild. But it's just so pretty. I absolutely love this one. Next piece is this beautiful Champion crop top sweatshirt. This is another one of my favorite pieces. I honestly think all of these are my favorite pieces, so you'll hear me say that quite a bit. But I love this. It's a neutral tone cream. Of course, we know creams you can mix and match with so many different things. That's another reason why I love this piece, because it's versatile. You can rock it with so many things: jeans, dresses, skirts, shorts, like however you want to rock it. Not only is it cropped, and the beauty is the back, guys. Like, it's got the Champion across the back, that graffiti dope style. style, like pretty pattern, like different colors. I love how oversized it fits and this cool backing. Like, trust me girls or guys, you're not gonna go wrong. So moving right along, this next piece is ladies, if you want to show a little body yada yada, this is the piece for you. It is a part of the Gilded Intent line. I love this, ladies. Number one, I love to show a little body. Like, I think it's just so feminine, so sexy, and I love the color. Like, it just looks so good against different skin tones. You know, I just think it's a pretty neutral piece. It goes all the way down. I love the split on the side of this bad boy. Like, it just gives you like that little sex appeal. You just kind of pop that leg out and show that leg a little bit. But again, another versatile piece that you can rock so many different ways. You know, you can put a flannel on top of this, do a cropped sweatshirt, sweat hoodie on top of it. You know, you can do a long duster. You can wear it as is. So I definitely think you should have this guy in your closet or something similar to it, because it's just absolutely amazing. Love this one. Next, I have this chunky sweater. This is my ride or die, because I'm pretty sure the camera may be picking up all the peach fuzzes and all that stuff that's on it. So you can actually tell that I rock and wear this one a lot. I mean, countless times of how many times I put this sweater on. Look how cute this is. It's not really cropped unless you're super tall, because it hits me, I want to say about waist, maybe a little bit longer, and you'll see it in the clip. But this is so beautiful, ladies. Like, I love a good oversized, chunked up. I got this in a size medium, you know, just for reference. If you want to see how oversized, or I guess true to size, you'll need to get it. But this piece, got to have it. It's definitely one of the pieces I'm rocking in the spring. I'm just gonna have to put, you know, like some lighter fabrics at the bottom to really take away from the chunkiness of the sweater. But this is definitely coming with me in the spring. These next jeans are a part of the Can collection. It is a great denim jean. I just love the stretch that comes in it. You can see it just has a lot of give to it, which I love because it cinches at the waist. These are high rise, and just a nice basic white pair of jeans. Like, you're gonna need them going into the spring. If you're looking for a good denim jean, just brand period, go Can way. Like, you will not be disappointed at all. The next piece is from Pretty Little Thing. Love this. I mean, really, honestly, guys, I really don't have to say a lot about this one because it's just so neon. It's so bright. Like, I know it's a turtleneck and you're thinking, like, how in the world am I gonna wear a turtleneck in the spring? But this is definitely a piece that you don't rock late spring. You kind of rock it now, kind of falling right off of winter. But it is so pretty. It's just bright and it's neon. So, I mean, I feel like the color is gonna make it versatile for the spring, and I just absolutely love it. It just fits oversized. I honestly think it was supposed to be a sweater, but I just got it oversized to rock like a dress. So that's just a tip. If you see a sweater and you really, really like it and you have another idea for it, go ahead and get it oversized so you can wear it different ways. Because you can rock it as a dress, you know, you can put leggings underneath and really rock it like a sweater. So go oversized because it's gonna give you versatility with that sweater. So that way you can do different things. So these cuties right here, like, honestly, I could say so many nice things about them. Number one, they're super flattering because they have that paper bag cinch at the waist. And I mean, I love a good pleat because I feel like a pleat just gives you like that extra chic look. It's that pretty mustard color. So we know mustard was so big fall, winter, and it's only going to transition into the spring. If you go to the thrift store and you're really nifty with finding thrifted pieces, easily, ladies, you can find this. And I mean, multiple colors, you can find them. You just have to be patient. But if you start now, you'll have everything that you need. And my last piece is going to be my pea coat, which is my favorite piece. Oh, ladies, if you don't buy but one thing from watching this, buy this guy. Like, I know it's about to get hot, but you're going to want this next fall, next winter. Like, it's color block. You got your pretty tomato red in the front. You know, you got your buttons that make it that true peacoat. You know, in the back, you have that camel color. Like, I just love the color block. The gray on the sleeve. You can pop the collar for like that pretty edgy look. Oh, it is just absolutely amazing. It's got that thick material to it, but again, it's one of those pieces that you just rock with lighter fabrics underneath, and then you're good to go. Like, I'm definitely rocking this in the spring. Now, when it starts to get more May-ish, I may have to put it away. Sad day. But it is okay, because this is definitely going to be another piece that I'm rocking next fall, next winter. Like, gotta get your hands on it. Again, it's buckle black, and yeah, I love this piece. Guys, everybody, that wraps up my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, I just appreciate all the support, all the love, all the feedback that I'm getting. So I thank you guys for traveling on the journey with me. And yeah, like, stay tuned. Got more videos coming for you guys, and let's rock it out for the spring.